Welcome to GCD Technologies. Java for software testing. Say software testing. Java. Java is programming language. Java for software testing. Yes, Java is used for software testing. Say software testing can be done in two ways. I think all of you know that concept. Traditional manual testing. Manual testing. Another is automated testing. Automated testing. Software testing can be done in two ways. One is manual testing, another is automated testing or test automation. Okay. For manual testing, no programming knowledge required. In manual testing, what is the process? Understanding requirements or user stories if it is agile methodology. If it is sequential model like V model or waterfall model, understanding requirements. Say understanding requirements are user stories, deriving test scenarios, documenting test cases, collecting test data, executing test cases, reporting defects, next tracking defects, next conducting change related testing, re and regression testing, and closing defects. That is the manual testing process. In this manual testing process, only analytical skills, next analytical skills and documentation skills are required. No programming knowledge is required for manual testing. Okay. Next, come to automated testing. Nowadays, important one, trending one. When it comes to automated testing, programming knowledge is required, especially for functional automated testing. Say we have various types of automated testing or functional automated testing or test automation. For example, functional automated testing, performance automated testing, mobile testing, web services testing, etc. In which functional automated testing is the major area. It has nearly 80% market share. Functional automated testing. Okay, for functional automated testing, we can use various tools, Selenium or UFT or RFT or Silk test, etc. Okay, next, programming knowledge is required for automated testing. Okay, what is the importance of Java programming in automated testing? For example, take EFT, formerly Qtip. EFT uses VB script for writing test scripts. So in EFT testing, no role of Java. Next, famous test tool in functional automated testing, Selenium. Selenium supports Java for writing test scripts. You can use Selenium with Java. Selenium with Java. See, Selenium supports other programming languages also. For example, Python, C#, .NET, next JavaScript, Ruby, Kotlin. But Selenium supports Java. Okay, it supports other languages also. Selenium supports Java and it has a major market share. Nearly 72%, 70 to 75% use Selenium with Java. Remaining all 5 programming languages having only 20 to 25% market share. Okay. Selenium, Java. If you know the Java, say in Java, we have various editions. Java standard editions are core Java. Java enterprise editions are advanced Java. Java micro edition. But for our automated testing, if it is Selenium or any other tool, core Java or Selenium SE standard edition is sufficient. Advanced Java is not required for our automated testing. Okay. Selenium with Java means using Java programming, we can write Selenium test cases for automated functional testing or functional automated testing. Functional automated testing. Next, RFT, rational functional tester. Rational functional tester also supports Java. Okay. RFT, rational functional tester. It is also for functional and regression testing, functional automated test tool. It supports Java programming. Okay. It also supports .NET. Anyhow, it supports Java. So if you know the Java programming, you can use Selenium with Java or RFT with Java for functional automated testing. Next, Appium. Appium supports Java programming for writing mobile test cases. For mobile testing, you can use Java programming with Appium tool. Okay, apart from these, see in these three tools, Selenium, RFT, Appium, we can use Java programming directly for writing test scripts. Next, JMeter. JMeter for performance test automation. Say Java programming knowledge is not mandatory for JMeter, but JMeter developed in Java technology. JMeter also software. JMeter also a software. It developed using Java technology. Say in order to install and use JMeter software in your computer, then you need to install Java first. Java runtime is required. Java runtime is required in order to use JMeter tool. Next, JMeter for performance testing. Next, SOAP UI. SOAP UI. Just a minute. SOAP UI. SOAP UI. It is for web services testing. Web services. Web services testing. Say for SOAP UI, Java programming knowledge is not mandatory, but Java runtime environment, Java, just a minute. This is for performance testing. Performance testing. Performance testing. Java runtime environment is required for SOAP UI. Why? SOAP UI tool also developed using Java technology. Just a minute. This is functional. Functional and regression testing. Functional and regression testing. Next, RFT. It is also functional and regression testing. So, if you know the Java, this is mobile testing. Mobile testing. Say if you have Java programming knowledge, then you can use that Java programming with Java for functional automated testing, with RFT for functional automated testing, with Appium tool for mobile testing. These three tools direct use. Next, for JMeter also Java runtime environment required. For using SOAP UI, SOAP UI also Java runtime environment required. Why? These two tools developed in Java technology. And one more thing, Selenium, popular tool. Selenium also a software. Selenium also developed in Java technology. Okay. Try to learn Java Standard Edition or core Java programming, then you can get more opportunities in automated testing.